Hi everyone, it's Stephanie and welcome back to my channel. Today I am channeling all of my fancy Ariana Grande vibes and I am loving this extension ponytail from Insert Name Here. So today I am partnering with Insert Name Here to share with you guys and review the infamous Ariana Grande ponytail. It is her signature look. I feel like when you think of Ari, you think of ponytails and it's a vibe. She kills it. She kills it. Usually I never wear my hair like this, but I am so obsessed with it, and I think it's just because my hair still feels like it's kind of down, but it's not. I love this look. The style that I am wearing today is the Miya style ponytail, which was featured in Ariana Grande's music video In My Head, and I'm obsessed with this ponytail. This is synthetic hair, but it is super soft and feels like natural hair. Like, I just can't stop petting my hair. Like, I feel like, oh, I love it. I'm obsessed with it so much. You guys know I love really, really long hair, and I just cut my hair, so putting my hair in a ponytail, it's not gonna look like this. Like this, my hair is on point. Like, I'm obsessed. Okay. Let's count how many times I play with my hair in this video. Name Here is basically known for their wigs, hair extensions, and all of their infamous ponytails like this. They have different styles as well as different colors and shade ranges. So if you ever need help, if you want to pick up one of your own hair extensions like this, so if you want to get one of your own extensions or a ponytail just like this, even a wig, they do have online customer service that will help you match to your hair color. So if you're not sure about what to wear, reach out to customer service and they are there to help you pick the right color for your color of hair, which is super great. I sent them over a picture of my highlighted hair and they picked this color. So I sent over my hair color picture of my balayaged hair. I actually just recently got my balayage highlights done, so there is more blonde here at the root. I don't know if it's like showing up on camera that much, but it is a lot blonder in person. The camera's kind of washing it out. The style and color of my hair extension ponytail is in the color Honey, and this is the Miya ponytail, which I'm loving. It is 24 long, beautiful, luscious inches. I think the 24 inches is the perfect amount for me. You can always choose to see what length you would like better. There's different ponytails as well for different styles, so if you're interested in any of those. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how easy it is to get your hair to look like this and get those Ariana Grande vibes. I am so obsessed with this. I love the ponytail. I've been rocking it on Instagram, posting it on my stories, so if you guys don't follow me there, make sure that you do. But I'm going to show you guys how I do this. It's really, really simple, you guys. This probably would take me on a quick, like really quick 5 minutes, 6 minutes or so to do this look. It's so easy. I'm also going to have a coupon code listed right here for you guys, as well as down below in the description box where you can shop any of the Insert Name Here products. I do have that discount code, which will be down below, so definitely if you guys want to get it, save a little bit of coin, definitely check it out down below and use my coupon code. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get into this hair tutorial. It's so easy. So if you guys want to see how to get this Ariana Grande inspired look, then please keep watching. Okay guys, so we are going to get started with this hair. So basically I just have my hair styled already today because I had to film video. So if I was doing this look normally, I probably would just have my hair stay straight. I'm also in my bathroom so that I can use the mirror to see better. So what I'm first going to do is I'm gonna take this hair. As you guys can see, it's a little bit scraggly right now just because I have to brush it out because it gets tangled pretty easily. So I'm just gonna go ahead and brush this out. I am using my wet brush because it's gentle, it gets the tangles out. I just want to smooth this hair out a little bit. Now, I think I would take, like on the lowest heat setting, just run this through the hair straighteners just so that it gets all of the like really like kinks and stuff out of it. Okay, I'm gonna start putting on my hair and I'm gonna be putting it up into a bun. So I am going to be pulling all my hair back. I'm gonna have a ton of baby hairs that are going to stick out. So if you have a lot of baby hairs, you already know the deal about them just sticking up everywhere. Like you can see, look at this one piece is already sticking up. So I'm gonna go ahead and just brush all my hair back with my hands into a ponytail. Now you want this to be like tight and sleek. You don't have to do like a sleek all the way back look. I usually don't wear my hair back like this, but for this Ariana Grande ponytail, we are going to. So I'm going to just take my hair, Then I'm gonna take my wet brush and just brush my hair upwards and then get all these to lay down flat. So I just got my hair re-highlighted, so it is freshly highlighted. After that, what I'm going to do is once I get it to about here on my head, I'm going to take it and I'm just going to start twisting it as tight as you can, guys, because you want this bun to like get down to something really small. I have a lot of hair, so if you have thinner hair, this will work a little bit better, but because I have such thick hair, I really have to make sure the hair is wrapped around very well. So I'm gonna take my scrunchie, hair tie, whatever you wanna use. I'm gonna use a hair tie just because I need the support. And I'm just going to put that down. Okay, so now that we have it in a bun, I'm gonna raise you guys up a little bit. What I wanna do is take, now you guys can see my hair is darker at the root, but I do have highlights and the end of my hair matches this. So you have that little piece right here to put into the ponytail. So what I'm gonna do is take this, flip it back. I'm gonna take this part here and pin it down into the bun like this. So we have the center of the ponytail down, right? So this is what it looks like. Let me show you guys from the back. Looks like that. It's okay if this is peeking out right now, we're gonna fix it. So we got that down. And then we're going to kind of like push it up, and we're gonna take this Velcro piece and we're gonna go around the ponytail underneath, bring it all the way down and around, and make sure you kind of like pull it tight underneath so that these Velcros can meet. Okay. Pull it tight. And I go around with the ponytail. This is gonna help hide everything underneath as well. Gonna go around. This is why this strand is hair, so that you can hide your real hair. Okay, go around. Then once we get to the end of it, we're gonna pin this in place. So the hair comes with these bobby pins. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna bobby pin our hair down on one side, and then we're gonna bobby pin our hair down on this side as well. And I'm just pushing it in, okay? So then this is the ponytail. All good? All good. Okay, we are going to get away these flyaways. So if you need to bobby pin your hair down more, I have to bobby pin my hair down a little bit more just because I have really thick hair. So I like to add another bobby pin in the back just for extra support for the bun. So I'm just taking any random bobby pins that I have, and I'm just pinning it down to help support my hair. I'm gonna be using this Pantene, any hairspray works, and I'm going to spray it. And then I'm gonna take this brush like this, and I'm just going to take these pieces back so it gives us like a sleek look. Okay, same thing, spray again. Take those pieces, bring them back, bring it back, bring it back. And this is just gonna give us that really like sleek Kim K, Ariana Grande ponytail look that we want. We want to be snatched, okay? And you don't need that much hairspray because, like, I don't know about you guys, I don't like when my hair is like very crunchy and hard. So I'm gonna do the back as well. Spray the back, brush it up. Just kind of move the ponytail out of the way when you do this. You can also put bobby pins down here if you need to, which I end up might doing that. I'm gonna spray more on my sides. like this, like this. Just get that hair all the way back. Okay. And just like that, we have our Ariana Grande ponytail, and we are ready to go. You guys, this doesn't take long at all. Literally takes a few minutes, and once you practice it more, you'll get better. So like honestly, with this hairstyle, I would probably maybe even wear like a lower ponytail, and I would like braid it or do something different to it. Now you can leave your hair, your full actual hair, all the way out if you want to and just have it blend in with the ponytail, but my blonde is a little bit darker than this, so it's fine if I have two-tone color. Like, I don't care about like the two-tone. I think it looks cute. I do have highlights in my hair, so you will see that there is some blonde in there, but this is the final ponytail. I love it. So cute. So yeah, this is how I did my Ariana Grande ponytail. Very cute and sleek. Love it. All right, guys, so this is the final result. As you guys see, the ponytail is so gorgeous. It's so cute, and honestly, it is not heavy. Like, I have a lot of hair, and I thought adding even more hair to my head is gonna be like, ugh, like I'm gonna be like weighed back, but I'm not. It is so nice. It's lightweight. I don't feel it's pulling on my hair. I don't feel like I'm gonna get a headache from this. I love this ponytail, and I cannot wait to wear it out and about this summer, especially when I have like a really good tan. I did self-tan, so if that's why I look a little bit bronze and glowy, I did self-tan today, but I can't wait for summer to come around so I can rock my ponytail on those really hot days. I can have a sleek ponytail look and just try different styles with this, like even doing like little braids or like that like bubbled Princess Jasmine look. I don't know, their looks are endless with this high ponytail, and I can't wait to wear it more. Like I said, the quality of this hair is so nice. Yes, it is synthetic hair, but I love it. So I've been had this on for like a few hours. I haven't been like shedding like crazy. I don't see like all the hair anywhere, so that's great as well. Like I said, it is synthetic hair, and they do have, I believe, 6 other shade ranges of hair colors for this. So if you have highlighted or balayage hair, you're not sure of the color, there is customer service there to help you out and make sure that all your needs are met when purchasing any of their products. I definitely want to get myself some hair extensions now, just so I can have really long hair and just like wear it down. I think that would be so cute as well. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, I will have a coupon code listed here and as well as down below in the description box. Thank you so much to Insert Name Here for partnering with me on today's video. And that is pretty much it. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Follow me on all my social media to stay updated with me. I'm going to be pumping out more content with all of this coronavirus nonsense going on. I'm just going to try to stay in my house as much as I can and film tons of videos and just stay productive, stay active, stay healthy, take your vitamins, and wash your hands. Wash your hands, okay? Wash them. Wash them real good using hand sanitizer. I don't know why it's taking coronavirus to make people wash their hands, but I guess we're all learning something new. But yeah, sorry for the little rant. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see all of your beautiful faces in my next video. And remember to never stop dreaming. Bye, guys.